Here's a 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. With plenty of room to stretch out and pack things in, this luxurious and innovative Town & Country will become your home away from home. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, Uconnect with Bluetooth, leather bucket seats, multi-speed automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.